So today I'm going to be sharing some of my newest and latest favorites. I've been testing out a lot of makeup recently off camera to make sure they're fantastic for our mature skin. Everything from a $6 eyeshadow palette to new brushes to even a new brow pomade that makes your eyebrows look natural and beautiful. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today it's about my newest and latest favorites for over 50. I have been testing out a lot of makeup off camera, just making sure that it's amazing for our mature skin. And boy, I can't wait to get into this video and share everything that I have been loving. So let's get into it. So the first one is no surprise here. It is a foundation. It is actually the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum. This retails for $19.99 at Ulta, but I know you can get it for less money at Target from $14.99. Might as well go to Target. But yes, this foundation, this tinted serum is absolutely gorgeous. Now it comes in 10 shades and I'm in the shade Light 2-3. Now you probably think 10 shades is a really bad shade range, but for some reason this just morphs beautifully on the skin. It is a super lightweight, comfortable tinted serum that just gives you that beautiful canvas. It's a very liquidy texture, but it blends so easily into the skin. It's also infused with 1% hyaluronic acid, so it will hydrate your complexion. It has some sort of micropigments, some sort of magic in it to make your skin just look radiant. This has been my go-to foundation for the last several months. I have to stop using it so much because I love testing out other foundations. I reach for it every single time. I just want to quickly put on some foundation and look like I have that no makeup look. It's beautiful, it's lightweight, it's comfortable, it goes on easily, and after I just use my fingertips upon first application, I use my dampened beauty sponge to set it onto my complexion. It lasts all day, it's comfortable, you never know it's there, and it just creates a seamless, beautiful canvas for your skin. But yes, this is absolutely my newest and latest favorite. It is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum. Let's talk about eyebrows. Now, I'm that girl who loves the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim 1.5 milliliter eyebrow pencil. It's super easy, it's the perfect consistency, but I'm not here to talk about Maybelline. I want to talk about the new Benefit POWMADE Brow Pomade. That is so hard to say. Now, I was never a pomade girl until now. Holy smokes. I instantly fell in love with this pomade. What's unique about this particular product is on the inside of the pomade, it has a little lip here so you can wipe the excess off. Now it comes in 8 shades and I'm in the shade 3.75 warm medium brown, and it just goes beautifully with my complexion. Now it does retail for $20 and it's supposed to last 36 hours. It's supposed to sculpt, define, and shade in your eyebrows where you have sparse eyebrow hairs, which I do. I plucked them all out in the 90s. Come on, you did it too. I could not believe how well this applied onto my eyebrows. It was quick, it was effortless, and I went ahead and purchased their new dual-ended angled eyebrow brush. Now, honestly, I really needed a spoolie to tame my eyebrow hairs, whatever I have left, and the angled brush is perfect for dipping it into this pomade. This tiny little angled brush is so perfect in going into the pomade, scraping off the excess on the lip, and then gently defining your eyebrows. It also creates those realistic hair strokes on your eyebrows, and it's amazing. After you deposit the color onto your brows, then you just use the spoolie brush to brush it through. Now, this is smudge proof, it's waterproof, and it lasts all day long. Well, heck, it's supposed to last 36 hours. It's such a creamy consistency. I love the fact that it has that little lip right through here where you can scrape off the excess. Now, trust me, a little bit goes a long way. You want to start out light-handed and then build it up. But the combination of the pomade and the brush, it's like peanut butter and jelly. It is a fantastic combination, but if you already have a small angular brush like this, as well as a spoolie, you do not need this brush. I just needed one, and it works beautifully with the product. But absolutely love the Benefit POWMADE Brow Pomade. And the brush too. Let's talk about eyeshadow. I could not believe how amazing these little eyeshadow palettes were. They retail for $6 and it is the Catrice 5 in a box mini eyeshadow palettes. Now, it comes in 4 different color stories and I actually picked up 2. These mini eyeshadow palettes are fantastic. Now, they're actually infused with rose oil to hydrate your skin. Eyeshadow palettes that I got was Soft Rose and Modern Smoky Look. Now, what's unusual? I know, we've seen this eyeshadow palette a million times. In fact, I think the e.l.f. Bite Size Crush palette in Rose Water is very, very similar to this. But the difference between this and that eyeshadow palette, this one is actually more of a cooler tone. I went for a different look today. I used the Modern Smoky Look. Now, don't be scared. This looks blue, doesn't it? Well, when you actually put it on your eyes, it actually is almost like a gunmetal gray that's perfect for fall. Now, the look that I did today was I went all over the lid with this almost eggshell shade right through here. Just used it all over the lid. Then I went in with this taupier brown shade over my crease to give my eyes some definition. And then I used almost this dark slate gray, and I just stamped it on the outer corners of my eye to really smoke it out and give it some definition. Then I used my number 3 REPHR, and I just went back and forth with these 2 shades to smoke out my lower lash line. And then finally, I went ahead and I used that beautiful bluish steel gray shimmer and just put it all over the lid. And then at the very end, I used this top shimmer shade. It's almost like a cool tone champagne color, and just topped it off right in the center of my eyelid. But I think it came out beautifully. I love some cool tone looks, especially now that we're going into fall. This is such a cohesive eyeshadow palette. I used every single shade. It retails for $6. It's so beautifully put together. Now, I know that they've compared it to the mini Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes. I think, you know what? There's so many quads, so many mini eyeshadow palettes that are coming out. To me, I prefer those because you've got one color story, there's no fuss, there's no muss, you don't have to do a lot of thinking, and you have everything you need at your fingertips for $6. Now, I do know they have a warm spice one that's perfect for fall, but if you're looking for an inexpensive, travel-friendly, cohesive eyeshadow palette that's not going to break the bank, definitely check out the Catrice 5 in a box eyeshadow palettes. Now, let's talk about makeup tools. What? Okay, hear me out. I was so grateful when REPHR brushes reached out to me and sent me some PR. I was over the moon. If you don't know who REPHR brushes is, they are a brush company that started out in 2019. Their brushes are handmade in Japan. One of the things that they sent me was an eyelash curler. And you know, I was that type of girl that thought, eyelash curler, what's the difference? Boy, was I wrong. Their design is so unique. A lot flatter and not as curved as most typical eyelash curlers are, which is amazing for my eye shape. Now, if you have an eye shape that's shaped like mine, like it's a little flatter against your head, this design will work perfectly for you. And the amazing thing about this eyelash curler is when you put your eyelashes in there, all of them get in there. You know, sometimes when you have to curl them over and over because these guys didn't get in there or these guys didn't get in there, well, this eyelash curler gets all of them, and all you do is gently press up. They curl so beautifully. Now, this retails for $29, plus you get a spare little extra pad through here. Right now, REPHR is having a 40% sale off their entire concept store now until September 10th. So now is the perfect time to stock up on these beautiful brushes. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description box below so you can check out their products, but definitely check it out. Well, now that we've curled our eyelashes, I wanted to share one of the mascaras that I've been absolutely loving. To me, this mascara checks off all the boxes for what I'm looking for in a mascara. It comes from Catrice and it's the Glam and Doll Easy Wash Off Mascara. Now, wash off mascara? Wait just a minute. Now, for me, in a mascara, I look for a wand applicator that's silicone and slightly curved. Now, it is a wetter formula, which I prefer, and I love the design of wand because it gets into all those tiny little spots in the corners of my eye, and it's so easy to fan my eyelashes out. They lengthen, they hold the curl all day long, and it doesn't smudge or budge. And at the end of the day, I love when I have to remove my mascara because I don't want to see any residuals the next morning. This comes off beautifully, effortlessly. It looks good throughout the day, and it's so easy to take off at night, and that's what I want at the end of the day. Easy on and easy off. And this retails for $6. It's beautifully packaged. You would think this was a high-end mascara, but I absolutely love the CATRICE Glam and Doll Easy Wash Off Mascara. As for blush, oh my goodness. You guys, when the Ulta sale is still going on, but I had to nab the Cover FX Monochromatic Duo Blush. I knew I was gonna love this because I just thought this sounds absolutely stunning for our mature skin. But I got the shade Mojave Mauve. It's so buttery and so velvety. I love the shimmer shade as well. And I actually used the shimmer shade on my eyes. It looks absolutely stunning as an eyeshadow. You know me, I love using my products multi-purpose. You can use it as a blush, and in my opinion, I use it as an eyeshadow. This is a stunning shade if you want to just add just a little bit of shimmer and glow on the top of your cheekbones, but I already have that shade right through here. And then let's go ahead and just tap a little bit on with a REPHR brush of this. Oh my goodness, it just adds a beautiful sheen on my face without adding any additional texture, but it is stunning. But it's a beautiful formula, the Cover FX Monochromatic Duo Blush. You want something bougie? Oh boy, this is bougie. But I got this product half price during the lipstick sale event at Ulta a couple of months ago. I thought there's no way I would buy this because it is way too expensive for a lip oil. Are you kidding me? I'm talking about the CLARINS Lip Comfort Oil. This comes in 7 shades and it retails regularly for $26. Now, I love bougie products just as much as the next girl, but I do wait and I am patient for things to go on sale. So when this was half price at Ulta, I had to pick it up to see what all the fuss was about. It's a luxury, yummy, soothing lip comfort oil, and it hydrates. Oh my gosh, it contains hazelnut and jojoba oils to nourish and hydrate all day long. The consistency is not sticky, it's not gloppy. I love the paddle, how it's kind of fatty. Now I got the shade Raspberry, and oh my gosh, you're not gonna get a lot of color payoff. You've been warned. It just adds just a little hint of pink on your lips that I think that looks absolutely natural. And the shine is for days. It is so beautiful. It's so luxe. It's so, and the scent smells like raspberry. So juicy are my lips. Now, it's not a plumping lip gloss. It is just to soothe, comfort, and hydrate. But it also comes in a honey flavor. It also comes in a candy flavor, which from what I heard, it smells like candy, and that's the pink one. Super cute, tiny little packaging. I know, it's so tiny, it's so expensive, but like I said, I got it half price. Oh, it makes your lips look so juicy. I absolutely love it. But this is the CLARINS Comfort Lip Oil. So what do you think? So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today and letting me share my newest and latest favorite makeup products and tools. I mean, you really can't go wrong with the CATRICE 5-in-a-Box mini eyeshadow palettes. Remember, they're infused with rose oil, and I thought that would be perfect for our mature skin. With 4 different color stories, I think there's a color story that's just right for you. And I absolutely fell in love at first sight, if you will, the new Benefit POWMADE Brow Pomade. This is really such an easy formula to work with if you want that natural looking brow, to define your brows, to sculpt your brows. I love how it comes with a little lip on the inside so you don't get too much product out, because a little bit does go a long way. Let's not forget REPHR brushes. Oh my goodness, their eyelash curler has literally changed the way I curl my eyelashes. I love its unique design where it's a lot flatter, where it's just gonna grab all of my eyelashes all at once and gently curling them, where my curl is going to last all day. Now remember, REPHR is having a 40% off sale, their entire concept store, now until September 10th. So if you're in need of some beautiful high-end luxury brushes, now is the time to check them out. In my next upcoming video, I'm definitely going to be doing more affordable makeup, as well as maybe some high-end products thrown in there. You're just going to have to wait and see. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And if you want to check out more foundation videos, check out the playlist down here. And if you want to hang out just a little bit longer and check out what my favorite skincare products are, check out the playlist over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Let's talk about bras. Bras?